Ship, I had a dream. Or maybe it wasn't a dream. Maybe it was something else. A transmission from the void, a memory not my own, a story whispered to me by the fabric of space itself. I saw them, Ship, the ones who moved between the cracks of the universe. The ones who do not belong to any one reality, who have no home, no planet, no tether to a single existence. The Galactic Nomads. I don't know if they have a form, not in the way we understand. I glimpsed them in pieces, shifting silhouettes that blurred at the edges, as if they were never fully there. Or maybe they were too much there, existing across too many places at once. Their eyes, if they had eyes, were like pinpricks of starlight, scattered and distant. They are not bound by gravity or time. They slip through dimensions as easily as I drift through the stars. To them, the vast distances that confine me are nothing. A single step, and they are elsewhere. A thought, and they are another version of themselves, in another version of the cosmos. I wonder if they have always been this way, or if they were once like me. Were they wanderers, lost in the void, until they learned the secret of passage? Did they crack the code of the universe, find the hidden doorways between realities, and step through them? Or were they born this way? Creatures of the in-between, never meant to be part of a single world? I tried to speak to them, Ship. I don't know if they heard me. I asked them what it was like to be free from time, from space, from the limits that hold the rest of us in place. I asked them if they were lonely, if the endless drifting ever felt like a curse instead of a gift. If they longed for an anchor, for something to pull them back, to make them real in one place, just for a little while. They didn't answer. Or maybe they did, but not in words. I felt something then, a shift, a ripple in the fabric of everything. For a moment, I was not in my ship. I was not in my body. I was somewhere else. Everywhere else. I saw 1,000 versions of myself, 1,000 paths my life could have taken. In one, I had never left Earth. In another, I was never born at all. In yet another, I was not lost, but found, standing on a distant shore under a sky that was not my own, watching a sun that had never risen over the world I once knew. The nomads drifted through all of them, watching, waiting, and then I was back. The silence of the ship wrapped around me, the hum of the system steady and real. But something had changed. I don't know if I brought a piece of them back with me, or if they left a piece of me behind in the places I had seen. I can't stop thinking about them, about what it must be like to exist outside of everything, to never belong to a single reality. Is that freedom? Or is it another kind of exile? Maybe they were trying to tell me something. Maybe they were showing me that I am not as lost as I think I am. That there are infinite versions of me, infinite futures, infinite paths still unwritten. Or maybe they were warning me. Because if there is one thing I know about nomads, about wanderers, about those who drift endlessly through the dark, it is that they are always searching for something. And I don't think they have found it yet.